Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Angel here. What it do? I know, a long time no see, right? So I've been doing a little bit of shopping. So if you would like to see the things that I got, then just keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, like I said, I know it's been a minute, but your girl was very sick, you guys. And I was declining rapidly. I wound up having to have a C-section, not a C-section. Oh, your girl ain't pregnant. I wound up having to have a hysterectomy in late February. But now I'm back. I'm feeling better for the most part. I'm about 90% better. But for the most part, you know, I'm a long way from where I was. I wound up having this condition called adenomyosis. And I had it really bad, you guys. Like, real bad. So that's where I have been, and my head space was, y'all, I had it bad. If you would like me to tell you guys about that, how I found out and all of that, let me know and I will gladly tell you guys about my whole hysterectomy experience. But anyway, neither here nor there. Let's talk about this shopping, y'all. Okay. So, you guys, even though this is how I knew I was feeling better. Because, you guys, I haven't bought anything since, like for real, I haven't bought anything since maybe September, October. Yeah. Like, Christmas, you know, I bought stuff for, you know, my family for Christmas online, of course. But, like, for real shopping, no, ma'am. So when I started back buying stuff in like April, that's when I knew that I was, you know, getting back to myself. So last week, a couple of days ago, whatever, I was browsing online like always, and I've been looking at these vanity cases. Like, I like the one from Chanel, but like, I'd rather spend that money on a bag, not a vanity case. Personal preference, okay? It might change tomorrow, but today, that's how I feel. So I was looking online and I saw that MCM came out with, it's a bag, but it's like a vanity case in some new colorways. So your girl ordered one, okay? So here it is. I just took it out the box and I took the plastic off, but here it is. This came in, I got the black one, of course, because you know your girl love her some black, okay? But this came in black, and I guess it's like black and cream. That's the color it gives me. It came in like a blue color, like a denim color, and it came in a burgundy color. The black one spoke to my heart because you guys know I just love black. I can't help it. But this is the case. Like, it's absolutely stunning, you guys. I got this from Nordstrom's. This was $850 before tax. It does have feet on the bottom. They are silver. Okay. And it does, now this, it was two of these. It was one just like this, but it came with like a thin chain strap. I'll show you guys. It came with a thin chain strap. That one was $750. If you got this black, thicker leather strap, it was $850, okay? So, you open it up. This is how it looks inside. It has the microfiber lining on the inside. It has a zip right here. Small little compartment right here. I'll be stuffing out. Eco-friendly. So it has a little care booklet in the back. Let's see if I can turn around. So this is the back right here. Back pocket has the little care booklet in, and this is how it looks on the inside. it does have these little, let me see if I can take it. Yeah, these little straps right here. And you can take them off or leave them on. And that'll allow you to open the bag wider or not. See, this side is still attached. And I'm taking off this side. Okay? So you guys, you know I absolutely love the black and white. But I did know that it came in the regular Cognac canvas print. But I was like, you know, I already have an MCM tote. And I just, you know, really love the black and white. Because this is so me. Y'all, the only thing that I don't like about this bag is this fabric. It does seem like it'll get dirty. So you will have to be conscious if you have anything on your hands when you touch this bag. So this bag is black and silver. Take that off. This bag is black and silver. The strap on here is adjustable. So that's cute. I always need it on the longest setting personally because I just don't like my bags being, you know, up here. No. So it does have the two cute little silver like drummets right here. And they do say MCM on the side of the drummet. So let's put this on. And I only seen these, you guys, at Nordstrom. I don't think I saw it at Saks, and I didn't see it on the MCM website. So this is how it looks when you attach the strap. I already see that I want it on the longer setting. So let's see how that looks. Oh girl, as you can see with it just around my neck, no, this will not work for me. It's like a crossbody bag because once I throw it over my shoulder, it's going to be all the way up here. No ma'am, no ma'am, no. I never really planned on wearing it like that anyway, but now knowing that that's not even an option for me, you know, I do know that MCM does sell other straps, but I didn't see any more in black that would match this bag. So, yeah, it was always my plan on carrying it like this anyway. And it does have this little card slot right here in the back. I don't really know what you would put in here. Like, you can't even put your key fob back there, and I would never stick like a single credit card or anything in here, so I don't know what you would ever put back here. Do I like this? I do. I do. Is it worth the $900? I was torn, you guys. Like, I was really torn by this. So, let me tell you what your girl went and did. I went to the MCM store, you guys. And I bought the original one. Oh my goodness, you guys. Yes, I did. Now this one with the canvas, this one was $5.75. So it's like $6.70 or something like that with tax. Oh my goodness, you guys. This one is canvas round here. This part, this cognac part right here, this is leather. The handle is leather, but this part is canvas. So with this, I feel just a little bit better because I don't have to worry about, oh my God, I have something on my hands and I will mess up my bag. But this is this one. There is no pocket in the back of this one. There are no feet on the bottom. Now this one, I always told myself, and you guys know this is the Cognac and Gold, okay? Now with this one, I always told myself I would just carry it, you know, in my hand anyway. The black one, I thought maybe by chance I'll be able to wear it crossbody, but we know that that's a no, not for me. But this one, you guys, this one does not have a zip at the top. This one, take all the stuffing out. This one does have, can you guys see in here? Okay, this one does have a little pocket in the back right here. And this one, you can take out the little hooks. Just take this, so you can open it right here. Look, can you see? Can y'all see that? Yeah, so you can open this wider. Now, this one is more my vibe. I really was fighting against this one because, like I said, I already have the tote in this exact print. And I was like, oh, I don't need 2 bags. But y'all, this is stunning, you guys. And this one is shorter and wider than the other one. I will put them side by side so you can see. The black one, the strap is thicker. This one has a super thin adjustable strap as well. Yeah, and then like with these, the drummets, you're not using them, you can just lock it down in place. This bag is like, you see the drummet, and then you just push it and lock it down. I love this. I love this. So let's put this on. Okay. Now let's adjust the strap on this one. Once again, you guys, I have no intention on carrying this crossbody, but let's just see how it works. This one is better. I don't know what it is. This one is better, but I still wouldn't wear, for me, this is a little high. Like, I like my stuff like a little lower on my hip. I would never wear this like this, but in a pinch, it's good to know that I can. The other one is a no. I will go ahead and put the other one on for sure, so you can see, but your girl is, I'm loving this one. I'm so loving this one. I think I will keep this one and return the other one. Okay, once again, this one, it's on the longest setting. And look, like, oh, it's under my book. No. No. Okay, no. But side by side so you can see the size comparison. The black one is taller, but the Cognac one is a little, is it wider? No, it's not wider. They're the same width, but the black one is taller. And the straps, the black one has thicker straps. I really I like looking at this on camera. Oh my gosh. I don't need 2 of them, y'all. I don't need 2 of them on camera. Like, I love this. Oh my God. Help me decide which one. Which one? Which one? Oh my goodness. On like, which one? I really, really love this one. But on camera, y'all know I wear black almost every day. Help me. Which one? I don't know. Which one? It's not about the money. It's just, like I said, I wear black almost every day, so I can wear either one. This is black and silver. This is cognac and gold. I'm more of a gold girl. Help me decide. Help me decide, you guys. I don't know. Help me. Alright, you guys, so that concludes my haul. Please let me know what you think. Please help me decide, because I am truly torn. Now that I see them both side by side, I truly don't know which one to keep. Or do I keep both? I don't need both. I don't need both. Help me decide, you guys. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.